Hi! In front of me is iPhone SE 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. You need to start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Touch ID and passcode. So sorry, misclick. Then click on Turn Passcode On and choose Passcode options. Following that, pick one of those, I will go with that one, and enter your new login method. If you get this kind of pop-up, you should definitely change your passcode. It's only an example though, so I will go with yours anyway, and repeat mine. Then wait. And if you want to, you can back up your pattern by logging in into your Apple ID. I don't want to go though, so I will go with cancel. My iPhone didn't like that. And now, click Home button. After that, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. As you can see, passcode. It's now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!